like on that day. I mean, dude, obviously I can't. I've lost 3 dogs. I lost 2 of them in the last 6 months. My family dogs, like the ones I grew up with. I'm sorry to hear that, dude. Your dog wouldn't want you to be sad that he's gone. Like, he's gone, right? It's not like your dog isn't jealous that he's dead, like he's passed. Like, and he would want you to be happy again because the dog's purpose is to make you happy, right? He wouldn't want to look down and see you crying over him. He'd want another dog giving you nice and giving, you know, playing fetch and giving belly rubs and giving kisses, and that goes for pretty much any animal. Okay, what should be okay? I'm gonna do. This is gonna be my shoddy suppressor. I'm feeling spicy tonight. Not super spicy. More laid back than anything, but a little spicy. A little spicy with you guys. Oh. Wow, what are the odds? Look at all these pistols. It's like they know. That's a good amount of light ammo. Little 19 tag. Oh, buddy. GG, man. That seemed like a player who had pretty good awareness. Decent building, but just honestly didn't have any shields. You tell my friend Yanni that he's trash. And a god. Yanni, man, you heard it here first, dude. The news is in. The results are in. You are not the father, but you are trash. Blue revolver. Rare. Ooh, excuse me. You guys hear that fart? There's no way. Bro, you're getting swagged on right about now. Oh wow, there's a lot of people here now. Level 38, looks like this guy's going aggro. In retirement, man. Do the best. How much do you rate without your song? Honestly, 10 out of 10. Especially after hearing it was a new music video. Relax, dude. I'll open up this big guy. Man, what a meanie, dude. Shot my launch pad out. bro, this man. Twitch Prime, dude, because if you haven't, you should hear about it. This dude just straight up rocketed himself.